Fuck recipes, you're a better cook than you think. Fried green tomatoes, amazing, wholesome dish. You can go with a cornmeal batter. You can go with dredging, flour, egg, breadcrumb, pan, or you can go what I'm doing, a little olive oil into breadcrumb. Either way, it's gonna give you that crunch, that nice green tomato, delicious. Now, something like this, what do you wanna serve it with and why? It needs a little bit of acid, so typically there might be like a buttermilk dressing to it. I'm just gonna go yogurt with lemon. Lemon juice, yogurt, a little hot honey for a little bit of spice. That's gonna bring together acid being the lemon, sour being the yogurt. I'm gonna add an herb to it. Tomatoes go good with basil. So fresh basil, gonna work well with it. You can use parsley, you can use cilantro, whatever herb you got, fresh herb. Finally, salt. I'm gonna crumble over a little bit of feta, okay? Just a little bit of crumbled feta. Give it that little saltiness, that tastiness. You can use Parmesan, you can use a Pecorino, you can use Kraft Parmesan, it doesn't even matter. So the point here, you got fatty, greasy tomato with a nice crunch. You offset it with a little bit of acid and sour, bring in the herbaceousness and season it up with a little salt. Let's make it. Cooking's fun. You should do it, experiment, try, fail, get better. It's worth it.